That's kind of surprising.
What's the name of the building?
Sturm Hall.
Sturm Hall at the
It's
University
like
of Denver.
Storm, but instead of Storm, it's Sturm.
There's actually an elevator company that's generic based in Portland, Oregon called Sturm.
Interesting. But check this out. It's glass.
Oh, sweet. So it's not a Fleccia elevator.
What do you mean?
You know how, like, some elevators will, like, be right on the side of buildings, but they are... Yeah.
I wasn't expecting this to be glass. Like, I can literally see this one from my building, and I didn't realize this was glass until I wrote it.
But yeah, like, what I mean, though, is Fleccia's, you know, he's famous for saying this easily could have been made glass.
Oh, yeah. You ever talked to him?
I have a little bit, but not really.
I gotcha.
There's your buttons, newer Series 2 fixtures. There's Sam.
How's it going?
Have you filmed all the elevators here yet?
Most of them. I filmed several. Not all of them, definitely. Still have a lot to go.
So you want to get off here?
Yeah, because this is where the entrance is.
Okay. That's it.